Welcome back everyone. I am Neetu Soni from Tejas Bemitra Teacher Maths. Today we will discuss about the distributive property of natural numbers. Distribution of numbers. It relates distribution of numbers. Distributive property over addition. It is A into in bracket B plus C, which is equal to A into B in bracket plus A into C in bracket, where all the three A, B, C are the natural numbers. For example, if we take A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3 and C is equals to 4, then my LHS becomes A into in bracket B plus C. So putting the values, we have A equals to 2, B equals to 3 and C equals to 4. So my LHS becomes 2 into in bracket 3 plus 4. So I have to solve the bracket first. So it becomes 3 plus 4 equals to 7. Now 2 into 7 is 14. Now let us see RHS. RHS is equal to A into B in bracket plus A into C in bracket. So putting the values, we have A equals to 2, that is 2 into 3 plus 2 into 4. Solving the brackets first, we have 2 into 3 equals to 6 plus 2 into 4 equals to 8 and 6 plus 8 is 14. So we can say that clearly LHS and RHS both are equal. So this proves the distributive property over addition. Now distributive property over subtraction. A into in bracket B minus C is equal to A into B in bracket minus A into C, where A, B, C are the natural numbers. Now to prove this, we will take an example. A is equals to 2, B is equals to 4 and C equals to 3. So my LHS becomes A into in bracket B minus C. So putting the values, 2 into in bracket 4 minus 3, which is equals to 4 minus 3 is 1. Now it becomes 2 into 1 and the answer is 2. So LHS is 2. Now in RHS we have A into B minus A into C. Putting the values, we have 2 into 4 minus 2 into 3. So 2 into 4 is 8 minus 2 into 3 is 6. So 8 minus 6 is 2. So we can say that LHS is equal to RHS. This means distributive property over subtraction is valid. It is true for all values of A, B and C. Thank you everyone for watching this video, and do not forget to like and subscribe and share this video for more videos like this. Thank you. Have a nice day.